Hey guys, this is a review of this iPad and iPhone holder for your car. It is really great and really inexpensive. First of all, you can put an iPhone in it like that, even with the case on. It can go this way, it can go that way. You can also put an iPad in it. It expands enough for an iPad. Again, you can do it either way. I really like it. Plus, look at this. It telescopes in and out, it turns, it also goes this way, which is fantastic. And installing it is super easy. Let me show you how easy it is to install. You have these pieces right here and they slide in and out depending on where the pieces are on your headrest. They have a little spinny thing here. You push this in, you put it around the headrest, and then you just screw on that back piece. You do the same thing over here, and it's completely secure. It can, like I showed you, it can hold an iPad, and it's very strong. It's not drooping at all. I really, really like this. Again, you can go in and out here. It telescopes there, and it moves in and out like that, so you can see it at pretty much any angle in the car. So if you're looking for a travel iPad or phone holder, this one's a fantastic one. And look at how flat it lies against the headrest, so when not in use, it just kind of folds away.